Joel here with Lean by Doing. Today we're back in Northern Ireland at Sperrin Metal, part of the Tierney Group, a family business led by Ryan Tierney and his brothers. Sperrin was acquired only a few months ago and is just beginning its lean journey. What you'll see today isn't perfection, it's progress and collaboration in motion. Stepping onto the shop floor, it's immediately clear that for only being a couple months into their lean journey, Sperrin Metal Products already has a lot figured out. Their space is clean, tidy, and well organized. Defined lanes separate foot traffic and forklifts from work areas. Many toolboxes are clearly marked, and order forms, jobs, and paperwork seem to be neatly arranged. When we walk each other's floors during tours, we're not just watching employees run machines, we're observing how teams manage burden, how products flow, how workspaces are laid out, and the challenges people face day after day. Sperrin Metal Products primarily manufactures racking, shelving, and lockers. Their press brake operator bends hundreds of these brackets every single day. There's no software on his press brake. He grabs a handful of metal plates from the material bin, positions them at his table, and starts the next batch, one plate after another. Without a doubt, this is a repetitive task. Did you spot any burden? On the Gemba, waste becomes obvious, and here, it's wasted motion. It didn't take long for the forklift to move the material bin into a better position. Lean is all about removing that burden and making the job easier. Here we see Brian sharing his press brake expertise, suggesting throughput could be doubled by lining up and bending two plates at once. Collaboration is how real improvement happens. When companies open their doors and share what's working and even what isn't, everyone moves faster. It's not about competition, it's about connection. Every visit, every conversation, every small idea exchanged adds up to something bigger than any one company. Next up, the powder coat line. A giant conveyor moves products through the phosphate wash, then onward into the powder coat spray booth, and finally, through an oven. The Fat American manufacturing team is right there alongside Sperrin Metals, observing and inspecting each piece as it moves along. As the products pass through the automated sprayer, they notice the powder coat finish isn't adhering adequately to all parts of the product. Brian suggests some root cause analysis on the spot. That takes the team back to the spray booth where he spots an individual phosphate sprayer that isn't working. These are the kinds of problems you can only catch by being on the Gemba, seeing it with your own eyes. Back on the main shop floor, we stop at another workstation. After watching the operator for a few minutes, it's clear that the way his beams are positioned in relation to his machine is interrupting his flow. Soon enough, the forklifts are back in action, rearranging his workspace. Now, he can grab a beam, place it on his machine, and set the finished product aside. Everything flows smoothly and efficiently. This is a great example of a U-shaped cell in action, a key concept in lean manufacturing. By organizing workstations so materials and tools loop naturally around the operator, we minimize wasted motion, reduce handling, and make every step of the process easier. As we continued our tour through Sperrin Metals, it was hard to ignore these massive monolithic machines, rows of equipment that filled entire warehouses. These giants get the job done, but in lean terms, they're a mix of value and non-value. Listen to this sound. That's the sound of value. The value here is clear. These machines shape the racks, shelves, and lockers that customers rely on and pay for. The non-value shows up in wait times, extra handling, motions that don't add to the product, or even warehouses full of excess inventory, such as this one, which is slated to be completely empty in the coming months. Ryan and his team are fully aware of these wastes and are using Sperrin Metals as a shining example of a lean transformation. Even at the start of their lean journey, their team is opening their doors to tours. By sharing knowledge, learning from others, and collaborating across companies, we can build a community where lean practices spread, problems are solved faster, and every business grows stronger. Collaboration isn't just valuable, it's the key to driving lasting, continuous improvement.